Assalamu alaikum, I'm Tuba Abrar from Oxford University Press, Pakistan. I'm here at British School of Oxford. This has been a wonderful experience. This is an amazing campus. I loved the atmosphere. I was so excited to be here, and once I came here, the moment I entered the campus, I felt so good. Seeing the campus, the whole vibe is self-explanatory. I mean, starting from the campus itself, and when you enter the classrooms and speak to the teachers about certain things, they share their experiences. The training session has been amazing. The participation was tremendous. The teachers were motivated, and it was motivating for me as well when you get the participants who are eager to learn and perform. So I believe that this has been one of the best sessions so far for me as well. So thank you so much to all the teachers, to all the participants who came from different campuses. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for the hospitality, for making me feel very comfortable, and for letting me know their views, sharing their experiences and ideas with me. I have learned a lot as well. So I would love to come again. I'm looking forward to see you all again. Thank you so much.